Hello students, welcome. In this session, we'll see array of pointers, pointer to pointer, with help of sample programs. Learning objective is to understand array of pointers, pointer to pointer, with help of few sample programs. Session outcomes: we'll be able to understand how to use an array of pointers and pointer to a pointer. Prerequisites: you should have learned first 3 units. Let's see array of pointers. As we have already known, array of integers or array of floats are nothing but a similar type like an array of pointers. Because here the pointer variable always contains an address. Thus, the array of pointer would be nothing but a collection of addresses. The address present in the array of pointers can be addresses of isolated variables, that is different variables, or address of array elements. That is about A of 0's address, A of 1's address, A of 2's address if A is an array, or any other addresses for that matter. Right? It's an array of pointers. It's just like you have an array of integers, array of floats. Here, array of pointers. There are different pointers, and you're clubbing them, you're making an array. So it's an array of pointers. It will be more clear through this program. Here, you're declaring an array of pointers like this: int star of arptr, the square brackets 5. It means that this is an array of pointer, and it has 5 pointers from 0 to 4. And here I am declaring normal variables I, j, k, l and m and n. This should be l, and they have some values. If I want address of I should be saying ampersand of I. So ampersand of I am putting you to a pointer arptr of 0, and j's address I am putting into arptr of 1, k is into arptr of 2, like that. And here in the for, I am going from n from 0 to 4, each time incremented by 1. Here what I am printing is value of %d stored at the address. I'm saying, see this arptr of n, if it is 0, this will give the address, right? Address should be printed here. But whereas if you say star, it will give the value, that is the value 80. The value of 80 stored at the address, whatever the address is stored, that is i's address. When this n will be 1, this is arptr 1, that will be the address of j, reprinted here. But the value stored at that address you could get using star, that could be printed here. That's why value of 34 stored at the address 6518, so on and so forth. Now let us see pointer to a pointer. A pointer to a pointer is a form of multiple indirection or a chain of pointers. Usually what happens, a pointer contains the address of another variable. But when you define another pointer which will hold the address of another pointer, then there's a pointer to a pointer. Right? If you see this diagram, there's a variable and there's a value. This pointer would usually hold the address of this variable, but I am declaring another pointer that could hold the address of another pointer. Then this is a pointer to a pointer. Even this pointer to a pointer has to be declared in the program, right? This is done using having an additional asterisk, that is star, in front of its name, just like this. If you just declare a pointer, it will be int star var, that is var. But if you want a pointer to a pointer, then you have to put additional asterisk or a star in front of the variable name, that is int star star var, or var. If this is the case, when a target value is indirectly pointed by a pointer to a pointer, then the accessing the value requires that the asterisk operator be applied twice. Correct? If you want to get the, if assume normally a pointer is holding the address of another variable, in that case what you do is a star pointer, that is star ptr, to get the value. But if there is a pointer to pointer, we have to use a star star ptr. Alright, and it will be more clear through this program. In this main program, we have int var, int star ptr. This is normal pointer, but this int star star pptr, this is a pointer to a pointer, and var contains 3000. To get the address of var, I will be using a %var, and I will assign it to a pointer. That pointer is normal pointer ptr. But address of this pointer ptr, to get that I am using a %ptr. If I store this into pptr, pointer to a pointer, right? I am storing that address of a pointer to the another pointer. Then to access the value 3000, anyway, if I say var, I will get 3000. If I say star ptr, I will get the once again value 3000. But from pptr, if I want to get the value 3000, I should say star star pptr, because it's a pointer to pointer, so I have to have a multiple indirections. That's why I'm using a extra asterisk star star pptr. That to give the value 3000. That's why the output is 3000 here. Just a recap. Array of pointers are nothing but a set of pointers. Pointer to a pointer is the first pointer, contains the address of the second pointer, which points to the location that contains the actual value. Right? These are the references. We can refer them. Thank you.